It was immediate. The inspiration for the opening page or cover page of this journal. Interesting that while I was immediately certain of how I wanted to decorate it, I'm still not sure what to call it. That's actually pretty typical of me. What I knew was that I wanted an array of my favorite fashion dolls lined up on the page, in varying outfits to represent different seasons and moods, an optimistic take on what I'm hoping for this year, to see myself transition seamlessly from one season to the next. There's a meme that I found super funny. It said, "Before I get excited about 2022, I want to see the trailer." I laughed because it was so relatable. The last 2 years have forced me to approach optimism with caution and skepticism. And I think I function that way in real life. Practical, pragmatic. Totally aware life is a cycle of highs and lows, joy and heartache, peace and anxiety. But this journal is an extension of my planning hobby, my personal oasis of happiness and joy. So I chose yellow. Yellow washi, yellow in some of the outfits, and orange flowers. Bright, cheerful, happy. And this year, I'm going to try to choose happy. It's not always easy. Even as I'm saying this, I'm dealing with loss and feeling the tug of heartache. But that's okay. Because when I open this journal and look at this page, it makes me smile. It brings me joy. So I don't have to deny what I'm feeling. But my plan is to fill this notebook, page by page, spread by spread, with things that make me smile. And so deciding how to decorate this page and all of the pages that will follow is easy. They don't have to be perfect, and they won't be. They just have to be filled with things that I want to see on the page. Comforting, honest, pretty, joyful stickers that make me smile. And I'm looking forward to sharing these spreads with all of you. Thanks for joining me on this journaling journey.